Hey folks, Mike.Bassett here, Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. First of all, I just want to tell you, we're a destination dealership. We got service 7 days a week. Nobody does that. We have got a restaurant. We've got a full service RV park, and so it's just a great place to purchase from. What I have here is a 2019 Desert Fox toy hauler. It's a 24 AS. These are built in La Grande, Oregon, and they're built for that kind of weather. I don't know if you know where La Grande is, but it gets really cold in the winter, and this kind of product is perfect for that. So out here, we've got electric tongue jack, which is nice, and here, this is kind of a cool deal. It's a toy lock. So if you have your side-by-side or your motorcycle and you go away from your camp, it secures it and locks it right here via a chain link deal. So it's pretty nice. LED light here, pass-through storage. Nice thing is it doesn't have a latch up here. So if I have my hands full of product that I want to put in here, all I got to do is lift this up, and then a magnet holds it up there so I can slide stuff in there. It's got an automatic awning. All I got to do is press a button and have it come out. LED light strip across that. Outside speakers, which is from the marine industry. They're plastic cones instead of paper cones, so they're designed to get wet. This is a new feature here, and it is a really heavy-duty entry step. These are adjustable right here, so you can, based on the terrain that you're on, if it's not level, you can adjust that. So these Desert Foxes were started in 1993 by Ron Nash, and he's really dedicated to construction. They're built really, really well. There's a lot of manufactured products that I wouldn't do this to, but everything here is screwed and glued. A lot of them are just stapled, but you can really reef on this and nothing's going to happen. Very well built. Lots of storage up here. This folds down into a couch. Then you've got your eating area over here. These two couches will fold down into beds, and then you have a bed up here too. Really good Kenwood stereo system. Storage up here for your helmets, boots, gloves, etc. The air conditioning is ducted, so you can regulate where the AC flows. So if you're entertaining in here, you can have all your air conditioning dump here, but if it's nighttime and it's hot out, you can shut these vents off and just have it all dump into the bedroom. There's a channel that runs down here that the air flows through. Pretty heavy duty. Got your microwave here, your stove, got your refrigerator over here, corner bed. This is a 24-footer up front, and sink out here, and a nice big shower. I'm 6'4", I fit in there. Just a great coach. If you have any more questions, I'm Mike.Bassett, Guaranty RV. Give me a holler.